What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So I'm going to do something a little bit different today. And I want to talk to you guys about plays that I feel like could make a comeback very soon. I know whenever somebody sees something run and they see something fall right afterwards, they're like, I'm giving up on that position. And that's not the mindset that we need to have. I'm not saying that you need to just have diamond hands or hold on to this position forever. That's not what I'm saying. What I'm saying is that you need to find places or find positions that may have a larger opportunity after they see some of the negativity, right? A lot of things have to struggle before you absolutely blow up, before you make the most money that you could possibly make within a position. You look at a lot of things across the board, right? Shiba Inu started out really low. Dogecoin started out really low. You saw, things that have, dove down, right? Bitcoin went all the way down to $15,000 and now it's up to $52,000. So if you decided to buy at that level, you could have made so much within that year's time frame, way more than what you could have made in the stock market, way more than what you could have made in honestly any market because it grew by so much. The point is that things have to struggle before they get to that point to where they succeed. So I want to talk about things that may have a little bit of a comeback. And I'm not saying it's 100%, but you want to keep an eye on it, the community, the conversations, all of the different things that could have a large impact to these things making a huge move, giving you the gains that you want to see. But I know it may be a little bit risky because you're investing in and you're risking your hard-earned money in order to get into some of these plays. So let's talk about these plays. Guys, if you want to, make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and hit the notification bell for more of these videos. I will provide links to all the positions that I talk about within this video down below if you guys want to go check them out for yourself and go and give them a look, maybe invest into them, but do your own research as you are doing that. You will feel insanely comfortable if you decide to buy into it for you, for your reasons. So let's start out with the first position. This first position is one that I talked about before when it was at a little bit higher of a market cap, and now it may look like it might be a little bit more of an opportunity, but this video was kind of thought of a little bit ago, and we're seeing a little bit of running right now, but it's still not back to where it was previously, but still has a lot of potential to it. And that position is Myro. This is a Solana meme coin that has had a lot of hype, a lot of attention, and I've seen so many different conversations that have surrounded this position for multiple weeks. I talked about this. I can't remember what the market cap was, but I think it was over $100 million market cap. But I talked about it while it was there, and I invested a little bit into it, like $100 or $200. And now I'm looking to end up buying more and finding the right place to purchase more. Now, the issue is that I'm not looking to really buy any cryptocurrencies, but I am looking for kind of the level to where things are struggling. Now, Myro, it did have an increase in the last day. It's up 18.5%. It's up to 10 cents, and we're seeing this at a $97 million market cap. And the volume is up 66%. It does have various places to where you can purchase it. The place where I get it is Jupiter. I use my Coinbase wallet and end up trading, Solana and, go through it that way. But that's the best place that I've found for me to purchase it. But you have 43 other pairings, and I'm sure they'll get on other places to where it's widely available in the US as tradable on an exchange. But you do have all these other exchanges like KuCoin, if you have access to it, Bybit, BingX, HTX, Bitmart. You can access Bitmart in the US and OrangeX unless they change that. But yeah, this is a fantastic play. And again, I have about $100 worth of it right now, I think, or $125 worth of it or something like that. But I'm looking to buy more, and it just sucks that I may be a little bit late in seeing that or seeing that low level. But honestly, it's one of those that could make a comeback, and it definitely has a chance to make a comeback here. So it's something that's definitely on my list. But the next play that we have here is Grok. Grok has already seen a 33% return in the last day. We saw this at a low level of 26% of a penny, and it is up a massive amount. I still believe that it has a lot of potential from here. Elon just tweeted something where he has, the Grok robot in the background, and you have a bunch of people and exchanges that are commenting below with the new Grok Twitter account That's not technically the coin Twitter account, but it is a Twitter account for the community. And I think it's up to like 10 or 11,000 followers, and they're continuing to grow. But this is sitting at 51% of a penny, and I believe it has so much more growth than where it is right now, up to a level of 2, 3 cents, 5 cents, 10 cents, a dollar, which would be a $6.9 billion market cap. May sound absurd to some people for a meme coin, but something that does have, the constant, not saying full backing of Elon Musk, but having any type of connection there is definitely a big reason to be a part of it, at least. So I have 1 million Grok. I think it's a great play. The next play that I have on my list is GME. Now, this is something that I don't have, but I'm waiting for the right time to purchase this position. Now, this is sitting at the same level of supply that Grok has. I can't check like the token sniffer or anything on this play, but it is down 19% today. And it's down to 21% of a penny. I'll tell you what, if this finds a way to get down to 10% of a penny, which would be dropping by 50% from here, if it found a way to get to that point, I would love to purchase more of this position, or some of this position. I don't have any of this position. I would love to purchase some of this position, and I'm talking about 1 million coins, which would be about $1,000. That's a risk that I'm willing to take. It is a Solana play. I do want to check into it a lot more before I decide to make that move, but I have done a little bit of research and see that, everything that's connected to it right now, it just looks very solid, and it brings back, kind of old memories of talking about GameStop a lot more, and basically trying to get at the hedge funds in a large way and make sure they're not taking advantage of what they have in their situation. So GME definitely a good play in my opinion, but it's very, very risky. Some of these plays are very, very risky because as you look at them, they're at a low level compared to where it was. It was at 1.3 cents at one point, and now it's down to basically 20% of a penny. Instead of being at 1 cent, it's now at 20% of a penny, dropping by like 80% that's there, 62% overall since the start. So honestly, you have to look at it, and if you're going to make this investment, you have to believe in it for yourself. Don't believe in it for me. I haven't made the investment yet, and I don't expect anybody to follow me when I do. So make that investment for yourself if you are going to do it. But if it finds a way to come down to 10% of a penny, I might have to just risk $1,000 and throw that into there and get 1 million GME, which would be insanely risky. It would be insanely risky. But with the movement that it's had so far and the places that you can purchase it right now, which is mainly Solana areas, I feel like you will have a connection. You will have other exchanges that it also gets listed on. But again, that's just my opinion. Then the last play that I have on this list is one that I've talked about many times, which is Lucky's Leopard Coin. Lucky's Leopard Coin is sitting at $605,000 market cap. This has been to a $1.6 million market cap, and they're consistently burning their coins, right? They're burning off, I think they burn like 9 billion coins. They have 711 billion coins total, and they burned 9 billion coins a total so far. Now, they don't have any type of tax. They don't have anything there. They're doing everything out of their own pockets. They're funding all of the exchanges out of their own pockets. They're very transparent. They have a 100 out of 100 sniff score, which is phenomenal. They can't change the contract. They can't adjust it. It's renounced. Everything that you want to have there, they have it. So this is a fantastic play that I've been interested in for a while, right? I want to see something go from a very low level to breaking out at a very high level, right? That's what I want to see is, break out completely to a 20, 30, 40, 50 billion, $1 million market cap. If it can get to billion, that would be crazy. But $50 million market cap from a level of being less than a million, that's more than a 50x. You may be even looking at a 100x from that point if it gets to a 50 or 60 million dollar market cap. So again, I'm bullish on Lucky's LP, and I want to see them flourish because, again, they're good people trying to do big things for the regular investor. and they're seeing some definite traction, and I want to see them grow a lot more. So give them a look as well. Go and check them out. Talk to the team, ask them some questions. They're funding everything themselves. So again, these are plays that can break out, right? It's not about them, being like having a breakout right now, because Grok had a breakout where it's up 30% or 60% or whatever the percentage is at that point, 18% for another play and whatever, right? You're seeing the entire market that's up. But when we look at overall, when we look at these positions, we know that they struggled and they might end up having a large breakout in the future as we see the major bull market. So I'm excited for this. I'm excited for crypto in general, and I hope that some of these do make huge moves, but it's not a guarantee. But guys, let me know what you think about this list. Do you have anything that's going to make a huge comeback in 2024, 2025? Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. Also, if you want to check out my Margex link down below, feel free to check out that link. You can start trading at 100x leverage if you want to. You can trade at 1x or 5x leverage, minimum of 5x leverage. You can start with $1 if you really wanted to. But I'm going to get out of here, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.